All right, we're back here at ChickQueen on Queen Street West. And it's Tuesday, so we're back here. I'm gonna get their 2-piece fried chicken for $5. Mondays, 2-piece tenders. Wednesday, raw crunchy sandwich. Thursday, tandoori bites. Friday, kids meal. Saturday, poutine. Sunday, roll wrap. You can add a medium drink and an individual side for $1.59. You can't beat that, eh? I came here last week and I had the 2-piece chicken for $5, and I did add the fries, and that came out to $7 and change. And then they have all these as well. They have the bucket, 6-piece fried chicken or grilled chicken, 4-piece tender, 1 chick pop, 1 regular side, 2 dips. No price for that, but we can check that out when we go inside. All right, I'm inside ChickQueen on Queen Street West. They have a few other locations, but this is the downtown location. Tuesdays, they have a daily special, 2-piece chicken for $5. So, and then I added fries, so it came out to $7.45. My second time coming here for the 2-piece chicken. You can't beat that, right? So, and it's very good. Do a quick review. Okay. All right, so ChickQueen, 2-piece, Tuesdays, 2 pieces, $5. Can't beat that. And then with the fries, came up to $7.45. This time I got a drumstick and a leg. Last time that I got the wing, which was really good. I love wings, and I don't mind the thigh. So. Yeah, so Tuesdays I know I memorized the Tuesdays 2-piece chicken, fried chicken. There are other daily specials. Just check out their website or just come on in and see what they have. Yeah. So I'll quickly take a bite of this and take a bite of the light. Nice and moist. Sorry. Very good. Nice and moist. Perfect crispiness. Try the thigh. Anything, even though it's not the best for you fried, but it's always good. But this one is like, where do I bite in here? Juicy, very good. Very, very good. So, come on down to Queen Street West, downtown Toronto. ChickQueen, Tuesdays, 2-piece chicken for $5. Very good. Take your bite. Yum.